Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk here with another nail review / tutorial. I did a small mini haul on some press-on nails from Temu, and these are all the nails that I ordered. So I made a YouTube short and I asked, which sets should I apply next? Or which set do you guys want to see me do my next tutorial on? And whichever nails got the most votes in the comments, that's the one that I would be doing. So one of my subscribers, hey Winter Fresh girl, thanks so much for commenting. She said pick the one that has the different designs on the tips, and great minds think alike, because those are the ones that I have been dying to put on. So I was hoping somebody would say these. So shout out to my girl Winter Fresh, I got you. This was my Temu order. It only came up to $15.37, and as you can see, the nails only cost $1.88. So let's jump right on into this tutorial. So this is everything that comes in the pack. Leak over onto your skin, and then now we're going to pick up that nail, line it up with your cuticle, and press down and do not lift. You see how the nail glue just spreads as I'm pressing? That is what you want to do every time, so that you do not get any air bubbles in between your nail and your press-on nail. And we're going to press and hold for 30 seconds. Once you press it on there, just keep on holding, and I promise you it's going to come out flawless. See how beautiful that looks? That's what we want. When you press that nail down onto your natural nail and that glue spreads out all over and you do not lift it up, you get a bomb application. So now I am going to go over to my right hand. I'm right-handed, so at first I was going to start putting the nails on my left hand since I'm right-handed, but then I said, you know what, it might be a little harder if I have nails on my left hand and try to do my right hand. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna switch over and just start putting them on the right side. So now I am gonna do the same thing. Press, hold, you see that glue spread all over, hold tight, press down, and do not lift it up. Even if you have to use your other fingers to help you hold that nail in place, do whatever it takes to keep that nail held down at all costs. And I'm not saying if you mess up, like it's just over, your nail is ruined. But what you would have to do is just wipe all the excess glue off of the press-on nail and your natural nail, and by the time you mess up, it may have hardened already. So now you have to file the glue off of your natural nail, file the glue off of your press-on nail, and repeat the whole process all over. And we're trying to avoid that. So if you get it right the first time, you good. If you mess up a little bit, it's okay. It takes practice. So as you can see, I pressed down. I'm holding firm. I'm not letting up. And I'm going to continue pressing and holding for 30 seconds. And once again, flawless application. And I'm not doing too bad for me to be using my left hand. So I'm kind of proud of myself. And these nails, I'm feeling them already. So we're just going to keep on going with that. These nails, y'all. Look at these nails. They are so cute. This print is so bomb. Look, they are nice.